So a 1/2 inch ball valve. But I'm going to flip the handle today, and that's a good idea for some installations where there's mechanical obstructions on the one side. So if there was mechanical obstructions here, another pipe or the wall or something, and there was no obstructions on this side, it would be a good idea to flip the handle. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. And in some cases, when you flip the handle, you have to cut off these tabs so that it can still do its 90-degree turn. In this case, you do not. And that's it. I flipped the handle. And now I'm going to use the opposite collar for mounting. Tighten the pins tight against the handle. Complete a test stroke. Leak alert. Leak alert.